This beautiful home in Aliana features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a 2-car garage, and is over 2,800 square feet.
Situated on a corner lot, just minutes away from shopping, dining, and the Grand Parkway, is 10303 Lockharton Court in Richmond, Texas. Come take a look.
Entering the home, you are greeted by tile floors leading to the dining room with tall ceilings and a decorative chandelier. The large island kitchen features granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and a spacious breakfast area which opens to the family room. With a patio door leading to the covered back porch, the family room is spacious and has a cast stone fireplace, which is the focal point of the room. Just off the family room is a separate study with double doors, and it leads to the owner's suite, which offers a sitting area with a bay window overlooking the backyard. The owner's bath includes dual sinks with a granite counter, a soaking tub, a large shower with a seat, and a spacious walk-in closet. Off the kitchen is a butler's pantry with granite counters and leads to a second bedroom down with a full bath, which is perfect for guests. The upstairs game room is a perfect spot for the family to gather, while one guest bedroom has decorative molding and the other has beautiful shiplap walls. Both bedrooms have decorative lights and share the third full bath. The covered back porch has plenty of space for backyard barbecues, and the brick fence provides plenty of privacy.
Within minutes to the Grand Parkway and providing quick access to Katy and Sugar Land, 10303 Lockharton Court is the perfect place to call home.